excited to share that tickets are now available for our workshop this fall in Sonoma. If you've been following along for a while, you might remember our first workshop, which was in Tahoe earlier this spring, and we had so much fun. It was probably the most rewarding experience I think I've had since I started my business. Over the past 5 years, I have learned so much. I've taken a lot of courses, I've networked, I've spent a lot of time researching, and this workshop is going to cover everything I've learned over the past 5 years to really simplify your journey. When I first started Boxwood Avenue, I never dreamt that I would be contributing to magazines or having magazines come photograph my home or creating content for these huge publications. I mean, I was just this girl in Likely, California with a camera, a laptop, and a phone. I've used those tools to tell my story, and I really want to share that journey with you so that you can tell your story and grow your brand too. Since we started putting together our course, I really have discovered just how passionate I am about helping other people build their brands and blogs and understand photography and really just be empowered to run their creative businesses. And so that's why we started these workshops, because sometimes you can buy an online course and it's helpful, but learning in person can be a little bit more effective, and plus it's so much fun to get to connect with other like-minded creative business owners. So we're taking this show on the road. We are going to Sonoma this fall, October 15th through 17th. It's at a private residence in Sonoma, and it's absolutely beautiful. This home was an old Victorian, and Sarah Anderson, the owner of Chateau Sonoma, she bought it and has completely restored it. She's opening up her doors to us, and we will have access to her property over the 3-day retreat. We'll be doing yoga on the lawn, we'll be having farm dinner, and we'll be learning in her barn. I think we may even have a chance to go swimming in her pool too, so I'm really excited about that. I hope that you will join us. This workshop is for you if you have a small business and you're hoping to hone in on some of your branding, or maybe you'd like to get more comfortable with photography. Maybe you have no idea what manual mode even is, but you know that you need great photography for your business. I want to help you understand manual mode. We'll be talking about blogging too, so if you dream of starting a blog and you want to know how to work with brands or how to make money blogging, we're going to cover that, along with SEO, some technical stuff, running a business. We'll cover styling and editing. We have Lori from Lab Creative Co. speaking, doing a session, and I'm so excited about that. Lori is a systems genius. She completely transformed my business, and I'm so excited that she agreed to do a little workshop with us at the retreat. She'll be telling us how we can simplify our systems so that we can get more work done in less time. She is going to be awesome. We also have Casia LaCroix. She's a wedding photographer and branding expert, so she'll be there helping one-on-one during the photography sessions. I got feedback from other people that had attended retreats, and I've attended retreats where there's just one person trying to help with photography and styling, and it can get a little bit overwhelming. So we have 2 photographers, myself and Casia, there that are going to be helping during the photography aspect. So if you have no idea how to go into manual mode in your camera, don't worry, this is for you. We are going to help you understand manual mode, and once you learn manual mode, I promise you will never go back. Manual mode will completely transform all of your photography, and I'm so excited to teach you everything that I've learned so that you can take beautiful pictures that I know you're capable of taking. Not only is this retreat for learning, this is also some R&R time, some downtime, some time to connect and just network. We will, like I said, be doing yoga on the lawn at Sarah's house with Andrea Bogart. She's doing a private yoga session for us. We'll be having a private farm dinner in Sarah's garden, and I cannot wait for that. Sarah's gardens are incredible. We'll be having a chef come in. It's going to be farm to table dinner experience with really amazing Sonoma County wine, of course. We've also partnered with MacArthur Place, which is a hotel that's right down the street from Sarah's house, and that's our preferred lodging. So if you are coming from out of town, you can get a ticket that includes lodging, and it is beyond gorgeous. So we'll be going there for a private dinner at their restaurant. It's called Layla, and we'll be spending our last morning there learning and enjoying their beautiful property too. If you have any questions at all, just email me, reach out to me on Instagram. I'll get right back to you. I really hope that I get to meet you in Sonoma.